In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Expedia to find and print your plane tickets in just a few simple steps. Whether you're an experienced traveler or planning your first trip, having your plane tickets handy is essential for a smooth journey. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need for your upcoming adventure. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and go to the Expedia website. It's an all-in-one platform where you can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and more. But today, we're focusing on accessing your flight details. Once the Expedia homepage loads up, if you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account using your email and password. This step is crucial as it allows you direct access to your personalized travel details. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the web page. There's a section labeled Trips. This is where all your booked flights, hotels, and other travel arrangements are stored. Click on Trips, and you'll be taken to a comprehensive overview of your upcoming travel plans. It's worth mentioning that if you've booked multiple trips through Expedia, they'll all be listed here. Simply scroll through the list to find the particular booking that you're interested in. Once you locate your trip, click on it, and voila! All the detailed information regarding your flight will appear right on your screen. You'll see everything from departure times to your ticket number. If you're someone who prefers having a physical copy of your plane ticket, or if your airline requires it for check-in, you can easily print your ticket from here. Look for the print option, which should be prominently displayed. This ensures you have a hard copy, which can be particularly handy if you're navigating through airports where Wi-Fi might be spotty or you want a backup. If you're ever needing to make any adjustments to your booking or have questions, this Trips section is also the place to go. It's streamlined to help you manage your travel details effectively. And like that, you're done. It's as simple as navigating a few pages and clicks. By following these straightforward steps, you've now accessed, reviewed, and printed your plane ticket from Expedia, equipping you with everything you need in terms of documentation for your flight. Remember, preparation is key to stress-free travel, and having your ticket ready and available is a big part of that preparation. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your travel experience with Expedia a breeze. Safe travels and enjoy your flight.